Hey guys, I'm back and today I have a Minecraft Hunger Games. It looks like no one's going in, which is kind of sad. Yeah. Hunger Games. And, oh, I felt that. I'm just gonna exit out. No one's leaving. Hub. Oh, yeah, I have my trap. The server IP will be in the description. Yeah, so hub. Okay, good. That worked. Quick warp. Let's do. What do you want to do? Let's do PvP. I'm kind of good at this one. I forgot how to do it. Okay, I think 10 minutes. I did it last time. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Oh, I like PvP. Yeah, because you get full iron and sharpness sword. So let's go down. There's not very many people on, but you know, listen old. Oh, so someone is behind me. That's great. I didn't know that. Let's try this one more time. Lounge. I don't think we really want to lounge after we've been killed. Should I make a jump into the lava? No. Later. Oh, gee, thanks for killing me again, dude. That's just great. Let's not. There we go. Let's do. Skyward. And if you want me to play on any server or anything, just tell me in the chat or comments below. It's gonna be iron because protection, iron sword and stuff, golden apples. Yeah. Let the game start. As you can see, I'm not great with PvP. I wonder what would happen if I did this. No, I'm not gonna put lava on. Oh, gee, trapped chest, huh? Great. I know you can left click, I just really don't like left clicking. Let's just get these and we'll try and go for mid before anyone else does. Because this actually isn't my favorite map. I probably shouldn't do that. Okay, let go. Legos. Someone's already there. That's people are already there. Yeah, that's totally great. Oh, I want to see him. Kill him. so far. Just gonna kind of dig some grass. Dig it! Not what I meant to do. Let me in a whole place. Sorry about that noise. I know it's kind of loud for you guys. A brick. Let's see what's under the brick. I mean, at least I'm still alive, right? Yeah, I'm not very good at PvP. I say I have like hacks or something. Still, I'm probably not gonna dig that way. That wasn't. Why am I getting lagged back? Great. I kind of just have to jump off the edge. I'm jumping off the edge. I don't know. Whatever. And I'm trying to dig some dirt. So far, I'm so close. Well, I'm out. I want to jump off. That's the water. Oh gosh. There. Huh, there's a brick there. I totally got freaked out. Oh my gosh, the lag though. I feel like yeah, I'll just go for it there. That's sweet. There's nothing left. Ouch. Okay, my hunger was kind of going down a little. This is scary. Oh no, whatever. I'll just go down here. I need all of this water to go away. One piece of dirt, just one. Someone's trying to arrow at me. Hey, thanks for the tea and arrows. Oh yeah. Water is not here. That's great. Okay, I have absorption for like a minute more. Need like 2 more. Okay, my Minecraft almost crashed. Whatever, I'm just gonna die in this because I want to. Because I kind of want to join a new game. I don't know where anyone is, so not very much action is going on. Okay, so hub. Oops. Hub. Let's do this. PvP. I'll just do survival games and see if anyone joins with this. Do this one. That's great. It just totally the part. Okay then. That failed. Hub, no one's joining. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's like no one doing anything. I don't know. Okay guys, let's do yeah. Well, that's all for this video. That was Skywars. IP will be in the description again, and goodbye.